Hey, look. I'll give you the back tire and the hit.
I don't want to race on them. We'll put them on the back there, put on the back.
No, I can't race like that. The suspension ain't set. I gotta get the old suspension set and put them on now. I just can't throw them on
there. Slicks, bro. I gotta race on the wheels.
Okay, well, the next race we'll have, I'll come already on my wheels and I have it all set.
Too bad in the front runner?
Huh?
It's touching too much in the front?
Yeah. When he turns, it's pushing out the front. It'll take us too long.
Bust your ass.
To the next. No, I'll bust your ass.
Nigga, bust his ass.
I will bust your ass.
Bust your ass.
You the one though. I said, hey, I told him, man, I give him the back tire.
Man, you got the slick. You got
Back
the
tires and the hit.
I'm gonna run you in the dunk.
Next time. I just can't set it up quick enough. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna bring it down, back down. I'm gonna put the backs on and see if I can just run it like that. Yeah. It'll be like this, but it's gonna disturb the suspension because when it unloads, but I'll see if I can make it work.
Try the slick. Got some ice over here.
They got some. They got it set to where it can't pop a wheelie or something. They need to reset it to where it can actually sit down on the back wheels and pick up the front instead of scooting up the back and pushing the front down. That's all it is. Alrighty, guys, the big showdown is here, April 9th.
Man, this man to put me in this bind. Hey, he don't want to race me with my regular tires because he done seen my tires. I smashed everything they put on the track.
Snatched so many souls.
So I didn't have my big wheels on here today.
Yeah.
Tried to put the big wheels on, but it was hitting the front fender. So we gonna see if we can put the back ones on, see if we can just race with the, but now the car like this and the suspension gonna rebound and probably blow the tires off. So, but I'm gonna try to still get the people to race. Still will be an excuse, cause he be like, I don't got big rims all the way around.
Look at me, is you on my YouTube channel? Huh? You on my YouTube channel? I got a YouTube channel that's going down like James Brown.
All right.
That's it. Make sure you tell your uncle or somebody too.
Will do.
Okay, she on, y'all. Yeah, I think they finna go and do it. Right back in his track. It broke loose when it got on out there a little bit. Looked like he probably made it to the 60 foot. Yeah, we're gonna get on the laptop right now, take a little time and more power out of it so we can go ahead and get down the track.
Ain't even got $20 to give. I gotta go to the car.
All right, guys, we here April 9th, the big showdown. I just got through knocking the doors off of Donkmaster, and everything is good. I got the title. We're gonna do it again one day, maybe in the big showdown 4. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and let that nitrous out of the line.
Look out.
You happy with that?
Man, I had to put it on gas.
Yeah, I seen you do your thing. I put the drone up in there. I got the drone footage.
Put the drone on.
Alrighty, guys, we haven't taken enough power out. We're gonna go ahead and get the tuner to come back and take a little bit more power out. We just got through cataloging and making sure that everything is all right. We're gonna go ahead and just bag it up right here. We're gonna try to get a soul snatch out of old Donkmaster back there.
They think that's sweet.
Everybody go, shout out, everybody go follow Lookout Racing.
Yeah.
They're the illest over here, bro. They're pretty lit, fucking, they got it going right now. Let's fucking go.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Lookout Racing.
Yeah,
baby.
yeah.
Lookout Racing.
Already, man.
God.
I appreciate that, man.